Okay, this is the question from the previous GATE paper in the year of GATE 2003. From the subject of communication system, the topic is related to the digital communication, that is nothing but pulse code modulation. Now we'll look into the question. A signal is sampled at 8 kHz and is quantized using 8-bit uniform quantizer. Assuming SNRQ for a sinusoidal signal, the correct statement for the PCM signal with bitrate R is. Okay, here the given modulation technique, that is nothing but digital communication, is nothing but PCM. Okay, for this one PCM, the X of t signal, that is nothing but the input signal, is given as a sinusoidal signal. A sinusoidal signal. This sinusoidal signal is sampled at 8 kHz frequency. Then the sampling frequency fs equal to 8 kHz, and after that the quantization is taken place. For that quantization, the number of bits are used for that one is 8, where n is the number of bits used for quantization, n equal to 8, and the sampling frequency 8 kHz is given. For this given data, we have to find out the bit rate R and signal to noise ratio, that is SNRQ. Okay, suppose simply for the PCM, the bit rate is defined as the bit rate equal to, that is denoted by capital R, that equal to n into fs. Here the n value is given as 8 and the fs value is given as 8 kHz. Then the 8 into 8, that is 64 kHz, also written as 64 kilobits per second, that is the R. Okay, similarly we have to find out the signal to noise ratio. Okay, for the PCM, the simplified signal to noise ratio in terms of dB is nothing but signal to noise ratio SNR per Q particular quantizer equal to, that is simplified data equal to 6n plus 1.8 dB. Okay, here the 6 into the n value is 8 plus 1.8 dB. Okay, that equal to 6 8s, or that is nothing but 48 plus 1.8 dB, that is finally equal to 49.8 decibels. Okay, this is the signal to noise ratio 49.8, and the bit rate R is nothing but 64 kbps. We will see the correct solution. The first one is 32 kb and 25, it is not, and 64 kb 49.8. okay, this is the correct solution B, where R is 64 kbps and signal to noise ratio is given as 49.8 dB. In other options, that bit rate is given as 32 kilobits per second, that is wrong, and in other one signal to noise ratio 55.8 dB, that is also wrong. The correct solution for this problem is R is 64 kilobits per second and signal to noise ratio is equal to 49.8 dB.